What's up everybody, J Styles, all things styles. Welcome to another video. If you guys are new here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Yeah, you know that whole helps the channel grow deal. Word. I truly appreciate that. Today's video is going to be the WALAKUT Express from Heat Transfer Wearhouse. It's got that 5-second press. There's so much more to it though. But before we get into the video, as always, let me shout the squad out. Mike T's, 12 Gun Apparel. You dig? Like, oh, wait a minute. Excuse me for a second. Hello? Yeah, I'm trying to shoot a video right now. What? Wow. Okay. Okay. I mean, they're right here. Yeah. No problem. That's what's up. Okay. Definitely. So this just in, folks. The artist formerly known as You Dig has changed their name to You Dig Designs. That's what's up. I can dig it. Also, shout out to the constituents. Peace to the squad. Hashtag. It's in the link below. So yeah, this WALAKUT Express from Heat Transfer Wearhouse, not only does it have the 5-second press time, also presses at a lower temperature. So guess what that means? No scorch marks. Yeah. And as that wasn't enough, it's also $1 cheaper than the other, that vinyl that weeds easy. It's $1 cheaper when you buy it by the yard. What's not to like about it? Definitely, you can check it out. The link is in this. Yeah, it's in the description below for sure. Oh, the shirt. Oh yeah, definitely. That's that G-Fit, courtesy of Mike T's. You can definitely get you one. I could put a word in for you, or better yet, visit his channel. Yeah, the guy, he makes the mistakes you don't have to. That's the one. So yeah, so let me go ahead and turn this cutter on, and we'll get into the video. You know, blah blah blah. We'll rap a bit. WALAKUT Express. I mean, I really dig this vinyl. We'll talk more about it, for sure. So how's it going? Really? That's what's up. I mean, nah, not really. Just kind of take it in. Yeah. Just being kind as always. Definitely. That's what it's about. I enjoy these talks. I hope you come back. Definitely. For sure. That shirt? Oh, you didn't see it. Oh, do you mind? So they're trying behind you. Yeah. Oh, you weren't here. Oh, yeah, Mike T's. Definitely. Yeah. So, as you know, this press is at 5 seconds, so we're not gonna really have much time after this. So, yeah. I mean, that's the only downside. It's only 5 seconds. That kind of cuts our time down. But, I mean, no worries though. I'm here all the time. Yeah. Definitely. Oh, for sure. Just give me the heads up. You can just kind of let me know in the comments below. Oh, I mean, you can say it to me now, but there's a lot of noise, so I probably won't be able to hear you. What? What's that? Oh. Nah. The cricket? I mean, not that there's anything wrong with it, it's just not for me. What's that? Size does matter. Yeah, yeah, it's got really little print size. Yeah, you really can't do much with that. Oh, huh? No, you dig? Yeah, she uses a Cricket. I don't think any less. No, we're still squad. Are you kidding me? Wow. Now that you mention it, well, next week, yeah, we'll definitely talk more about it next week. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna need to know more about that. Definitely. Wow, I would have never that much. Wow. Yeah, the Cricket. Nah, that ain't it. No, that's not it, Chief. Yeah, but let me go ahead and load the cutter, and then that whole. Well, I mean, we've done quite a bit of talking, so I don't think there's. All right, well, I'll see you back at the press then. Don't worry about it. Cool. So we're gonna go ahead and get this finished, weed it out, and then we'll meet you back at the press. As you can see, the finish, it's not shiny. I appreciate that. Also, the hand feel is very light, thin. Once again, the vinyl WALAKUT Express Heat Transfer Wearhouse. The link is in the description below. It's going to be at 305 degrees, 5-second press time. Sweatshirt, it's going to be a super cotton sweatshirt, 70% polyester, 30% cotton. It's like 9.6 ounces. We'll just call it 10 because it's pretty hefty. And again, this is going to be a 5-second press, so it'll be over shortly. You guys feel free to hang out if you want. Talk amongst yourselves. Oh yeah, once again, shout out to Mike T's. And so this WALAKUT Express is also a warm to cold pill, or cool pill rather. Once again, this has been Jay Styles. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. You guys be kind.